Hey guys, it's your girl Keri, and today I'm going to be sharing a quick Costco haul. I'm actually going to be combining two hauls into one. I had to stop by Costco a few days later after I recorded this haul because I forgot a few items. So without further ado, let's get started. So first up we have the organic riced cauliflower, and this was on sale for $5.99, and that's a good price for this size bag. It's 48 ounces or 3 pounds. I got a big bag of organic dates, and these were on sale as well. This large bag was $6.99, and I plan on making stuffed dates with these. And if you've been with me for a while, I did a What Up Witches Glamoween party several years ago, and we made stuffed dates, and they were made to look like cockroaches, but these are super good, stuffed with cream cheese and nuts. These right here were a splurge, and these are really truly addictive. I had these for the first time when I did my Dollar Tree Tablescape on the lemon dishes, and I could not get enough of these since then. Did not know they sell them in bulk at Costco. I got this large package of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's 2 bags in there, and they're about 49.5 ounces for both bags. And this was on sale for $4.69. And my daughter and husband enjoys this type of cereal. 72 count package of Eggo waffles was on sale for $6.99. I got this large package of Greek yogurt. Costco cannot be beat on prices when it comes to cheese. Now, my grocery store, you can get just about half of this size. It's less than 5 ounces. I think it's 3 ounces of goat cheese, and it's $3.99 just for the 3-ounce size. Here you get 2 packs of goat cheese, and they're 10.5 ounces for each package, and you get both of these for $6.89. And I like to pair my goat cheese with these cranberry thin additives. It's so good. And I also use the goat cheese in my tomato basil soup. The entire family loves these spicy beef patties. I just got 1 pack of these because we're trying to do a little bit better in terms of eating healthier options. Got a 24 count of organic eggs, and these are $5.99. You've seen me haul these before. My family loves these. These are the multigrain tortilla chips. I got this 36 count of Mott's applesauce, and this was on sale for $9.99, and it's the organic applesauce. This is the absolute best turkey bacon out on the market. My family loves this, and you get 3 packs of bacon. This is actually separated into 3 packs, and this is $12.99. This 2-pound jar of sun-dried tomatoes is an absolute great deal. It's $9.99. Now in the store, I think it's only like 6 ounces or 8 ounces in my local grocery store, and you can pay upwards of $7 for it. This big jar of Kalamata olives was only $5.99. My husband loves Greek style food, so we're going to add those to his salads. These are some garlic stuffed olives, and I also picked these up for my husband. This is a humongous jug of white vinegar, and this is the best deal at Costco. You get this big jug for $2.89. I picked up some avocado mayo. And these are a great deal even when they're not on sale. You get this large pack for $11 and some change. And in the store, just for the smaller packs, you would pay a lot more. I got a large box of graham crackers. My daughter likes to put these in her lunch. This large variety pack of Ziploc bags were on sale for $11.69. And this should get us through most of the school year. I picked up some smoked Gouda so my husband could make his famous shrimp and grits. And I do not know if you guys saw the video that we made where my husband taught me how to make his shrimp and grits. I'll leave that link to that video in the description box below in case you want to see it. Here's an all-time staple for me. I bought another container of feta cheese. A 2-pound package of the shrimp for the shrimp and grits, and we love to get this kind. We do splurge a little bit for convenience because we like to get the cooked, deveined, and tails off shrimp, so it takes away all of the work. This large 90-ounce Dawn dish detergent was on sale for $7.79, which was a good price. I got this 36-pack of razors, and we just use the men's razors. These were on sale. This was normally $29.99 for a pack of 36, but they were on sale for $19.99, and this should last me and my daughter a good little while. And I needed a pack of the floodlights, and these were also on sale as well. And finally, I picked up a package of bottled water. I picked up another case of the 2 dozen organic eggs, and those are $5.99. Here is another staple item in my household. I picked up the 2-pound bag of pecans, and these are $12.99 for the pack. And I purchased the 500 count of spoons, and this actually ends up being a better deal than the Dollar Tree or Walmart. And also, these are the Solo brand, and these are very heavy, sturdy, durable, disposable spoons. And we use these for my husband's breakfast on the go. He usually makes a cup of grits and take that on the go in the mornings. And here's another staple in our home. It's the Kirkland disinfecting wipes, and you get 4 packs. It's 304 wipes total. The blue pack has 80 count, and the yellow pack has a 72 count for each one. And the yellow pack is the scrubbing wipes, so they have like a little scrubbing pad, so you could kind of, wash your sink or whatever your appliances are and have a little extra grit. And these are just the regular wipes. And what I do with these, I just put a pack of wipes at each one of the toilets and each one of the sinks in our home. And then in the morning, when we finish getting ready at the sink, you can just take a wipe and wipe down your area. And that's a quick way to keep your countertops and sinks clean without having to, clean the entire bathroom every single day. I picked up a pack of these Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes, and they come 120 in a pack. And this was $16.99 for the pack, and this is a great price when you compare the cost per unit from Costco to Walmart or the grocery store. I picked up this soft soap, hand soap, and this is the refill. And it's the 80-ounce refill. You get 2 of them, so it's 160 ounces. And these were on sale for $5.99. Now, this is an absolute great deal. If you purchase the soft soap, Walmart, I think, carries it for 88 cents. And sometimes my grocery store, Kroger, carries it for 88 cents. The Dollar Tree obviously has it for $1. But this right here beats that price tremendously. So all we need to do is just kind of refill our current soap dispensers, and this should last a great while. Since these were still on sale, I picked up another box of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and these were $4.69. And I picked up this large bottle of dishwashing soap, and this is 125 ounces, and this was on sale for $6.99. And finally, I picked up this box of 12 rolls of Scotch Magic Tape, and this tape is actually quite expensive. It's normally $21.99 at Costco, and that's still a decent price when comparing it to the other stores. And it was $8 off, so it was on sale for $13.99, and you get a bigger roll, so you get 50% more per roll. This is an absolute great price, and I go through these like hotcakes. And I use this in my Tommy's business when we are rolling the panties for our Tommy's. And if you guys are not familiar with Tommy's, Tommy's stands for Time of the Month Panties, and it's a leak-proof period panty with a pocket on the front for a heating pad, to store a disposable heating pad or extra pads. And I will leave the link to my Tommy's website if you would like to know any more information about that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the Costco haul, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.